I'm here with new volleyball coach at Macalester, Mary Johnston. And Mary, welcome to Macalester first of all.
Yeah, thank you. Really excited to be here.
Why don't you help us kind of get to know you a little bit better? Tell us about yourself and your experience in coaching, how you got started, and also your most recent success.
Well, I started coaching in 2007 at SUNY Canton. It's a school in upstate New York, and then from there I took a position through the NCAA Women and Ethnic Diversity Grant Program at Stevens Institute of Technology, and they were a really great program out in New Jersey. Made the NCAA tournament as an assistant coach, and from there, after my internship ended, I moved to Franklin, where I was for the past 11 years as the head women's volleyball coach and assistant director of athletics.
Now, you had a lot of success this last year, the most recent year. You were named the Heartland Conference Coach of the Year, and also your team defeated some nationally ranked teams and earned a national ranking this last year. Talk about how you turned that program around. They weren't very successful when you got there. What were some of the keys to being able to turn them around and make them successful?
I think just over time building relationships with the students was really important, getting them to trust the process that we were laying out for them, to believe that we just need to get better every day and winning will happen when you do the right things in the gym every day. I had wonderful assistant coaches that really brought so much to the program that I learned from, that helped all of us grow. Recruiting was important, to recruit the right students that fit your program culture and your institution's culture. Just having a combination of all those things last year just kind of came together, and we were able to have some success.
Tell us about your style, the way you want your teams to play, how you coach, mainly the hallmark of your programs when your teams are winning.
Well, we know in volleyball that if you pass well and serve well, you'll win matches. So that's something that we want to focus on at Macalester, and just having really great ball control, serving aggressively to score points. That's going to be our first line of offense. That's going to be something that we talk about a lot. And just having a competitive mindset and just wanting to compete every day and get better every day. Those are things that we're going to talk about a lot, and I think that will help us be more successful.
Talk a little bit also about Macalester. You left the job at Franklin and moved out here. Obviously, you've probably seen something, the potential that this program has. Talk about that potential, the things in place, and also what you're hoping to bring to the program.
Yeah, Macalester College is just a great institution in terms of location, academic excellence, and in terms of athletics, the facilities are amazing. The resources that are available to students, having a nutritionist, sports psychologist, full-time strength and conditioning coach that works specifically with our team and obviously other teams, but just having all those resources in place just kind of rounds out your staff, where you have other people that you can trust, that have the best interests of the students in mind and the program in mind, and just going to help us grow and get better every day.
That's great, Mary. Certainly looking forward to seeing you and your teams play. And that's Mary Johnston, our new head volleyball coach. And the volleyball team gets things underway at September 1st at Crown. And then they'll host the Macalester Invitational on September 3rd and the 4th. Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you.